So, you have your custom HTML and CSS files ready to go. You bought Bluehost, but every single tutorial out there tells you to install WordPress. Stop right there. You do not need WordPress to host a simple website. Hi guys, welcome to the Techno Galaxy. I'm Martha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your custom code directly to the server so your site goes live under 3 minutes. Let's do this. First, log in to your Bluehost portal. If you haven't purchased your hosting yet, don't pay full price. Check the link in the video description down below for the current best discount on the plan I'm using right now. Now, if you already have a Bluehost account, but you haven't logged in for a long time or have never done so before, you can access the login page by visiting the main Bluehost website, and after you get there, find the login button, which is usually located at the upper right corner. You just need to click on it to log in with your login credentials. Now, depending on your Bluehost dashboard software version and when you are watching this video, the interface may look a little different to you than the one I'm showing here. But once you're logged in, ignore the Websites tab. We are going to the Hosting tab on the left. Now, look for the section called File Manager. This is the brain of your website. Now, click on the File Manager and let it load. On the left sidebar, click on Public HTML. This is the most important folder on your server. Whatever is in here is what the world sees. If you see a default file called default.php or a coming soon folder, you can delete them. Now, this is the step where 90% of beginners fail. Your main homepage file must be named index.html, not home.html, not website.html. It has to be index.html, all lowercase. This tells the server, start here. If yours is named something else, right-click it, select rename, and fix it now. Now open a new tab, type in your domain name, and hit enter, and your site should be live now. And there it is, your custom code is live on the internet, no WordPress bloat required. That's it for today's video, guys. I will see you guys on our next video. Until then, take care and stay safe, everyone.